Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 16th of March 2024, and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the expiry on the 22nd of March. We can see that the CE level went down by 10 points, but the PE level went down by 15 points, which is a negative. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. Change is much higher for PE, which is negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE, which is negative. PCR is extremely oversold, which is positive. Implied volatility went up, which is negative. Historical volatility is the same, also negative. RSI has went down, which is negative. No divergence, again negative. ADX is up, which is negative because the market is going down. ATR has gone up, which is also negative. EMAs both went down, which is negative. VWAP went down, negative. Pivot point went down, negative. And the candlestick this week was also very bearish. Another negative. So this week our support is 165. Previous weeks was 180. This week's resistance is 175. Previous weeks was 185. Prediction is that Tesla goes down with a very strong from the option chain analysis this week. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.